So you wanted to get started with earning money here into Facebook. I'll guide you through basics of making money within the Facebook. There's 5 ways of how we can get started by earning money here into Facebook. And I'm gonna be actually using an actual article that was created with actual Meta. Meta works, of course, the actual Facebook and Instagram. He actually runs these 2 applications. So today what I'm going to focus on is into how we can actually earn money tailored by the actual great entrepreneurs of the actual Meta. So the first one is to include ads into your videos. If you're publishing video content into Facebook, you could be eligible to make money through in-ad streams. So you can use this type of meditations. You need to meet several requirements, of course, whether to have 10,000 followers here in order to start earning in-stream ads. But of course, this is how it could be one actual really great ways to earn in-stream ads. Here are the features. Here are the ad formats, frames your business story, play around and load what it actually works. You can earn revenue, take control of what you actually are looking to. Now, the second thing that I can suggest to you, just in case you're not eligible for including ads into your videos, is to include ads in your articles. If you're a blogger, you can look for new ways to earn money. Instant articles can help you generate revenue through ads in your articles, so you can sell ads directly into Facebook and to automatically place ads with your instant articles. Now, this monetization with the instant articles sometimes is not available for almost everybody, because depending on where you're actually currently living. So sometimes in this case, for example, this content is not available into my actual country. So I'm going to move on into the next way, which is the actual adding a subscription shortcut. So you can put subscriptions at the center of your story. If you're eligible for subscriptions, you can add a support now button to add it directly into any kind of post. So those subscriptions is how you can earn money from those who love your work, and mostly with an actual monthly subscription. So you can check out the actual requirements. Once again, be at least 18 years old. You need to be based in the United States and have 10,000 followers. So in Canada, Australia, and UK, subscriptions are currently operating on an invite-only basis. You want to make sure that one is available into your country once again. The next solution, just in case one is not worthy, it's the collaboration with branding. Now, the branded content is produced by publisher or creator for paying a business partner. So the partner influences the content or featured in it. So when you publish content featured and a partner brand, tag them using branded content tools. So they're actually going to be paying you for actually being the influence of buying 1 or 2 products. So you wanted to make content people love, you can generate revenue through partnerships, and you can measure your actual performance. You need, of course, to be invited with someone specifically here into the insights. So you want to make sure they have an active, great niche created into your Facebook profile, and then you can get started to use the branded content. And of course, the last one is to earn money from your live videos. If you like to create live stream videos into Facebook, then you can start earning money from collecting stars. Now, stars are going to be, let's say, some like a one payment, or let's say like gifts that everybody tells you to, let's say, receive directly into live streaming, so you can earn money directly into stars. You can connect with the viewers directly, and of course, you can do some requests into the live when somebody sends you, of course, the stars. And of course, sometimes you need to be enabled once again into the Facebook star. So for that, I believe it's not that hard than the other ones, but of course you needed to be eligible. For example, here to the upper side, go for monetization, below status, view page eligibility, go for setup, agree to the terms and conditions, and set up the pay account. So everything what I just told you guys, to check out if you're eligible to get started with, what you wanted to do is to look out for your store or your page. And here you can see if we are eligible to get started with stars or with different monetization tools. For example, here I am able, let's go for view page eligibility, and of course sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. So if you're eligible to get started with, then you're actually get started. Sometimes Facebook actually make the recommendation depending if you're actually ready for doing something or not. So with that being said, guys, if you have not reached the very end of the video, you now know how to get started here by earning stars, by earning money in stream, into live, into videos, or whatever here into Facebook. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If this was a very useful information for you guys, let me know to the comments below which actually are the actual ways that you find to earn money into Facebook, rather than using one of these 5 stuff that the actual Meta told doesn't help us to get started with. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you into a brand new video of Tech Press.